Hello students, today I am going to explain the exercise of Unit 3rd Plant, Section A Tremendous Tree. So this is from your English course book, My English Garden. So let's start. In the previous video, I have explained you understanding the text. So match the following column A to column B and question answers also. In this video, we will start with playing with words. Yes, understanding done. Question answers I have explained and I have also sent the PDF for the same. In this video, I will start playing with words. So A, circle the word that is not a synonym of the word in capitals. So you have to circle the word that is not having a similar meaning of the word given in capitals. So here is the word written in capital, and you have to identify the antonym, or you can say that is not in similar with the resident. So I will not explain the meaning. Hope you have enjoyed the explanation of the lesson, so you know the meaning of the words very well. Resident, so here occupant, alien, inhabitant, dweller. So the answer is you have to circle the word. So alien is not a synonym. Scorch, so here the answer is douse. Then precious, expensive, cherished, treasured, prized. Wait, one more word is there. Okay, yes, precious. So for precious, here 5 words are given. So for precious, the word is cheap. Here scorch, douse. First one is alien. So first is alien, second douse, third is cheap. Next is investigate. Yes, so investigate, examine, check, neglect, review, explore. So the answer is neglect. Damp, moist, drenched, wet, parched, dewy. Okay, dew. Okay, dewy. Yes, so answer is parched. So here cheap, here douse, and here alien. Okay. Next is determination. Yes, tenacity, steadfastness, timidity, resolve, and purposefulness. Yes, so here timidity. Done. So next exercise, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word to complete these sentences. So here the words are given. From the given words, you have to complete these sentences. Trying to find water seemed to be a losing blank for us. Losing, battle. Okay, so first is battle. Trying to find water. वाटर को फाइंड करना ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे हम युद्ध क्या कर रहे हैं, बैटल को लूज कर रहे हैं, खो रहे हैं, हार रहे हैं. लॉसिंग द बैटल. यस, सो हियर फर्स्ट वन इज बैटल. सेकेंड इज it was in a blank way that I asked my neighbor for water. It was in a bad way or sad way? Sad way. Okay. Third is we blank regretted having to cut down the tree. We greatly regretted having to cut down the tree. We had to take a blank decision and cut the roots. We have to take which type of decision? Yes, lucky, cowardly, tough, or tired. So lucky decision, cowardly, tough decision. Okay, we had to take a tough, hard decision. Next is we waited for the result blank. We waited for the result impatiently. रिजल्ट के लिए हम कैसे, पेशेंस नहीं होता है ना, इम्पेशेंटली. सो हियर अंडरस्टूड. यस. नेक्स्ट वन, learning the language. So let's understand. Look at these sentences. The girl in the yellow dress to define something. Okay, yellow dress. So what is yellow here? Yellow is an adjective. Okay, in the parts of a speech video, I have explained you what are adjectives. So the dress, define something. To define something, to define a dress, we are using adjective yellow. So it is qualifying the dress. The quality of the dress is what? It is yellow in color. There are 4 girls in the cafeteria to state the amount of people or things. So here amount of people, कितने लोग बैठे हैं, या things, तो how many? 4. 4 girls. तो girls को भी यहाँ पर modify किससे किया जा रहा है? 4 से. So again it is an adjective. I like my garden. So here possession. ठीक है, टू हैव, कोई चीज़ जब मेरे राइट में होती है, मेरी होती है हैव. सो हियर माई गार्डन. सो माई इज योर एडजेक्टिव. डू यू वांट द चॉकलेट और वेनिला मफिन? टू स्टेट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू. सो हियर यू हैव टू स्टेट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन. सो हियर और इज व्हाट? और क्या है आपका? और ना ही एडजेक्टिव है. सो व्हाट इज और हियर? सो जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं जहाँ जिनके बारे में अभी एक्सप्लेन किया जा रहा है, फॉर एग्जांपल येलो, फोर, माई, और ये है डिटर्मिनर्स. सो डिटर्मिनर्स इज अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर यू. सो यू कैन गो थ्रू माई channel and just go through the English grammar playlist and watch the video determiners. सो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि येलो तो एडजेक्टिव भी है. डेफिनेटली येलो आपका एडजेक्टिव है, बट एक ही वर्ड के. ठीक है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच अगर एडजेक्टिव ही है तो वो और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, एक ही वर्ड के एक ही वर्ड समटाइम्स एज अ वर्ब और अदर सेंटेंस में एज अ नाउन बिहेव कर सकते हैं. ओके, यस. सो वर्ड्स सच एज द, words such as, this is the definition, the, my, some, this, each, a little, 30 and so on are determiners. They are used before a noun. Determiners can be, अब देखिए डिटर्मिनर्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, आर्टिकल्स हो सकते हैं, जितने भी आपके आर्टिकल्स होते हैं, डेफिनिट एंड इनडेफिनिट, ए एंड द. सो ये आपका क्या है? डिटर्मिनर्स. Possessives. Possessives means your, my, his, our, their, Radha's, Hari's, apostrophe s. Okay, ये भी आपके किस में आते हैं? डिटर्मिनर्स. Demonstratives. That, those, this, these. So demonstrative adjective सुना है आपने, possessive adjective सुना है. Okay, quantifiers. Next is quantifiers, जो quantity वाले हैं. Some, few, a few, little, a little, any, many, much, more, most. So all these are quantifiers, quantity बता रहे हैं. Numbers 1, 2, 3 etc. So आपके ये सारे किस में आते हैं? किस कैटेगरी में? डिटर्मिनर्स. अगर आप मेरा डिटर्मिनर्स का वीडियो देखेंगे तो आपको ये और भी अच्छे से समझ आएगा. Yes, so related to determiners, there is an exercise for you. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct determiners. So here you have to choose the correct determiners. अब correct determiners का जो concept है कि कहाँ आपको क्या use करना है, so for this you have to watch my video of determiners. So first is, could you get me blank coffee please? So I'm just telling the answers to all of you. Could you get me some coffee please? Second, blank water flows under the bridge. The water flows under the bridge. Are blank boys standing there your friends? Are those boys standing there your friends? Yes. Fourth is, the rainy season has arrived, so I am going to buy an umbrella. Fifth, I always keep blank money in my pocket for chocolates. So the answer is I always keep some money in my pocket for chocolates. The teacher gave the examination paper to each one of us. Yes, so first is some, second the, third those, fourth and fifth some, sixth each. Done? Yes. Next question B. Use the correct determiners to complete this paragraph about a tree. So you have to use the correct determiners to complete this paragraph. And this is a paragraph about a tree. Yes, so I am reading the paragraph with answers. First blank, this. This is a neem tree, not a gulmohar tree. We know it is blank में आएगा. We know it is a neem tree because its fruit is bitter. My father planted this tree when he was small. He planted some other trees also. Let me show you a few of them. The one here is a mango tree and that one there is a kikar tree. I love trees, don't you? Getting? So, the answers are first blank, okay, first this, second A, third its, fourth my, fifth some, sixth a few, seventh the, and eighth and. So hope you have completed it. Yes, so here writing. So no need to do this, but you must know how to write a paragraph about tree. So for you, you have to write a paragraph about tree. You read an account of how the roots of the gulmohar tree were cut down so that the rest of the houses could get water. The account was from the perspective of a resident who was not getting water. Now write the account in 200 words about the cutting of the roots from the perspective of the tree. You may use these hints. How you felt when you realized the supply of water may be removed. Second, how worried you were. Third, how you felt when the residents begin to water you and look after you. So here, what is the meaning? Meaning is कि जब ट्री को कट किया गया, किसके रिस्पेक्ट में, किसके बेनिफिट के लिए? रेसिडेंट्स के लिए, क्योंकि उन्हें वाटर नहीं मिल रहा था. अब आपको ट्रीज के बारे में, ट्रीज के प्रोस्पेक्टिव से सोचना है कि ट्री कैसा फील कर रहा होगा जब उसकी रूट्स को कट कर दिया गया. ठीक है, क्योंकि इससे सोसाइटी का या पीपल का तो बेनिफिट हुआ, रेसिडेंट्स का, पर ट्री को क्या फील हुआ, तो उसके लिए आपको पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं कि ट्री को कैसा लगा कि जब उसे वाटर का सप्लाई नहीं मिल रहा था और कितना वो वरी था, एंड जो रेसिडेंट्स थे उसकी केयर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, उसे वाटर देना एंड उसकी देखभाल करना, लुक आफ्टर एंड वाटर द ट्री, तब वो कैसे फील किया. और ये क्या आपके पॉइंट से ट्री को कैसा फील हुआ होगा जब उसे कट किया गया, क्या वो सही सोचा होगा, वो समझ पाया होगा फर्स्ट टाइम कि ये सही हो रहा है उसके साथ ही गलत हो रहा है. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू थिंक एंड राइट लाइक दिस. बट माय क्वेश्चन इज you must know the 10 sentences about the tree, or you can write the paragraph about it also. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this video, and this is a good exercise, determiners. So I will explain the determiners also, so you can watch my video of determiners for this. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you.